Have you ever wondered how shrimp farmers keep their ponds clean? With all the movement, paddle wheels spinning, water swirling, uneaten feed, molted shells, and organic matter sink to the bottom. If left too long, these deposits can release gases and stress the shrimp. That's where the siphon method comes in. Farmers use a siphon system built into their ponds. One end of the siphon is placed in the middle of the pond, where waste gathers thanks to the circular flow created by paddle wheels. The other end leads outside the pond into a settling pit or filtration tank. With a quick start, gravity takes over. Dirty water and waste are drawn out without disturbing the shrimp. The water is then filtered and carefully treated, made clean to return safely to the sea. Farmers do this daily or several times a week. It's a quiet routine, but it makes a big difference. Because clean water doesn't just happen. It takes care, it takes rhythm, and the health of the shrimp depends on it.